It's so relaxing out here. I'm telling you. I can come out here at 5:30 in the morning. Cucumbers, squash.
I've been here 10 years, and she used to throw me vegetables from her balcony. And then I would take them and go home and clean them, cook them, whatever. And I can come out here without and say, Miss Claire, this is what I did. Sometimes I don't get it right. She said, you shouldn't have done that. But I'm still learning, so I love her for it, though.
Thank you.
Here we build a community where they come together, they help one another. I see people, their growth here, you know, they feel a sense of belonging. They feel safe, and they know that someone's here to support them, you know, through the process.
That right there, that's peppermint. It makes some good tea. Put it in some tea, you'll have a ball.
At Jewish Family Services, we're focused on 3 areas of support: safe and affordable housing, mental health services, and social services. And here at Wooddale Crossing, we're ushering in a new era where we're bringing all of that together on this campus.
Today, we are cutting the ribbon on the Harry and Jeanette Weinberg residences at Wooddale Crossing.
JFS-Housing is comprised of 3 buildings, one which Wooddale Crossing is being opened today. Bradley Crossing Supportive Housing is a facility for families and older adults. And then Deerwood Crossing Senior Residence is assisted living.
JFS offers some of the most vulnerable folks more than a place to live, but a supportive community where they can thrive.
To create a healthy community, we need to ensure that residents have access to affordable housing. Do you all agree? Absolutely.
Isolation really feeds things like depression and anxiety. And so part of our work at JFS is to increase linkages for folks who are often marginalized. Effective mental health treatment and prevention really starts with collaboration. JFS-Housing provides housing support for people with behavioral and mental health disabilities, as well as low-income families across the lifespan. We also provide comprehensive case management and social support services, as well as clinical mental health services. And when that is combined with Jewish values that support the individual inside their community, it really makes a difference.
It's amazing to see the transformation in their lives, you know.
We embedded case management. We embedded a mental health clinic into our housing. We have examples of people who have lived formerly in homelessness, who are now participating in our gardening every day. We have people who have bounced around in various apartments who are now living in a stable place for the first time in their lives, who come down and talk with our social worker every day to check in just to make sure that they're on track.
We really look at what individuals need, and then we kind of build our programming off of that.
Over the years that I've been involved with JFS, I've come to understand just how much effort, time, dedication, and most importantly, passion it takes to run this agency and serve our clients.
The support from the community means everything to us. It gives us strength as we're going through the day-to-day tasks.
It's really amazing that I get to walk into a space and people are like, oh, hey, Shelby, or how are you today? Of course, going to be challenging days, but there's also days where you're like, wow, this was a really impactful day. And that's really what it's all about.
The support of the Milwaukee Jewish Federation is essential for our mission. It helps us to provide all the services that we provide here at JFS.
Supporting JFS is giving people value, giving them a place to live that is safe and affordable. It's giving them dignity and respect.
These are real changes that are impacting families and having just a tremendous ripple effect in our community. And I just can't express my gratitude enough to all of those who are behind this work. So, thank you.